Hello my lovers, today is about brow tutorials. So I'm going to be using my Eyebrow brow pencil and my Edgar and Esther brow pomade in Nuvia. I'm using my spoolie to just brush my brows upward, as you can see. So I'm using this tiny mouth brush to draw the outline. So I'm just using my Edgar and Esther to draw the outline firstly. So as you can see, as I'm going, like I am going down, I'm just drawing a tiny outline first, guys. It's good to always get your outline first when you're drawing your brows. So after doing the down, I'm doing my top part, the top of my brows. So I'm just drawing it, guys. So depending on your brow shape, depending on how you love your brows, but ensure to draw the outline correctly. It makes your brow easier, it makes your brow standard, it just has that sharp edge. It gives that sharp edge that you see in most people's brow. This is the trick, drawing brow outline. So now I'm using my Eyebrow pencil to just draw or whatever, line my eyes, my brow, like just sketch it like as if it's my natural hair. I'm just giving it, I don't know the word to use, but that's what I just did. So now I'm brushing, as you can see. So I'm just trying to cover the part that is not well shaded, that is looking like it's my bare skin. So I'm just trying to cover those parts to just shade in. So I'm doing the same thing on this other side. I don't know why I love saying so God. So leave my mouth. I'm doing the same thing on this other side of my eyes. I'm just drawing the outline like I did with the first brow. A tiny line so it can have the sharp edge. I'm doing the same thing, pretty much the same thing. Just watch, enjoy. Hope you have your popcorn with you and your mineral. So guys, it's blurry, don't mind me. I don't know, my camera came to focus on the wrong thing. So I'm using my ColourPop concealer, non-filter concealer in dark and medium dark. Using this what's it called? Guys, I've forgotten the name of this brush. I think it just escaped me. But it's also a sharp mouth. It has this curve kind of. I know different people have their different kind of brush that they use for their brows. But this is what works for me. Find out what works for you best and go with it. Don't use what people are using. Just look at the one that you blend with more, the one that works for you, that you can handle and you can maneuver with your brows and use it. So I'm just using the ColourPop concealer. I mixed the both shades together to get this. Okay, no guys, sorry. I'm using the medium dark at the bottom part of my brows, and I'm going to be using the dark at the top part of my brows. So I'm using this fluffy brush to blend it out, as you can see, because I already have my foundation on. So I just have to blend well so it blends with my foundation, with my skin, so it doesn't show like maybe I did an highlight there. So blending is the key. As you can see, it's well blended, right? You can't even see where the concealer stopped or where it started. So I'm doing the same thing on this other part of my eyes. Guys, are you feeling me? Like, are you feeling the brows at all? I so love the way I do my brows so much. If you love it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. So this is the modern days brows, guys. These days they don't draw brows that your arc will be that sharp and all that. That was old school. So this is the modern day brows, 2019 brows, and it's coming late in August. Don't mind me. Sorry, in September, not August. Don't mind me, guys. But So like I said, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark at the upper part. As you can see, it looks like as if it's my foundation color. That's what goes best. So when you want to do your upper part of your brow, the upper part of your brows, always go for a foundation shade that is your shade, or a concealer shade that is your shade. If I'm not to use this, if I'm to use the Elegant Pro concealer, I'll use Fawn. Fawn is the closest to my skin tone, so I'll use Fawn for this part. But since I'm using the ColourPop concealer, I'm using dark. So I'm using this Blots brow gel tint or brow tint or whatever it's called. I'm using it on to just blend. Like as you can see, using this thing, guys, it just makes your brow look so flawless. Wow. I'm short of words, guys, so you can see there. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from this. This is the final look. Enjoy. Thank you. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, put on your notification.